Hello everyone and welcome to my channel with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's video, I finally completed my 11th class on Skillshare. And this one is called Build Confidence and Drawing Skills with These Sketching Exercises. And our subject is Yoda from Star Wars. And this all involves learning through the world of pop culture. And here in this video, I have a preview of my introduction and my course description for this class. And also, don't forget that I have a class referral link in the description below where you will get 1 month for free. Now, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez. I'm a graphic designer, painter, and fine artist. I've had a lot of experience taking painting, figure drawing, life studies, and everything in between. And one of the reasons I decided to start this course was to get rid of all of the boring things and just go for it. With my experience, having graduated from California State University, Fullerton, I've taken many courses in painting, traditional art, in figure drawing, and life studies. A lot of the introductory courses were a bit boring and by the books. So I decided to create a course that involved pop culture. I think as artists, it's a great idea to always create what you love and have fun doing it. Allowing yourself to create something from your childhood, like a favorite celebrity, a singer, a superhero, or even a fictional film character, gives us a chance to steer away from the by-the-books approach that can sometimes be very strict and uninspired. So if you're a new artist looking for fun ways to approach drawing realism through the fundamentals of freehand drawing by the way of pop culture, I can teach you these techniques in this course. Mastering the fundamentals of freehand drawing with graphite pencil is one way to do so. And which iconic fictional hero to draw than Yoda, one of the most recognizable film characters of all time. I created an easy step-by-step guide on how to draw faces using 3 small exercises and the required materials to create them. And one of the most important to have is a reference photo where I make it available and easy to download, a value scale template which will help us create our soft blended realistic look. And at the end of this lesson, you can even upload your project in the project section of this course. I'll be guiding you through the necessary steps in order to create our subject using our observational skills. And by mastering the fundamentals of freehand drawing, I want to challenge you to break away from that fear that creating realistic art is for professionals only and turn that intimidation into a fun learning experience that will carry on into your art journey. I hope you feel inspired to join me in this course and get all of that boring stuff out of the way and just jump right into it with your favorite pop culture icon. So let's get started. For today's project, we are drawing Yoda. Who doesn't like Yoda? We all know who this iconic pop culture icon is. And so one of the reasons I decided to create this project was to work within pop culture and have fun with all the techniques that I've learned throughout the years at university. The way freehand drawing works is using your observational skills in order to try and create your character within your reference photo and create the likeness of that character as much as possible. And what we do is we study the lighting because it's already in the reference photo, so we don't have to do any work when it comes to that. Now, because this is a new class that's connected to one of my first courses that I've ever done here on Skillshare, where we just focused on drawing a single Yoda final hyper-realistic drawing, this course is going to focus on those 3 exercises that I did before and finish off 2 of them that I didn't really finish rendering all the way through. These tiny sketches will help us get familiar with our character that we are drawing, and we learn the techniques and the materials that we need in order to create our final drawing and make it into a realistic drawing that we're proud of. And most importantly, this is beginner friendly. From any level, from beginner to intermediate to advanced, this is a perfect class for anyone to get started in. As we improve our observational skills, this will help you in your future projects as well. You will improve your skills in creating realism, blending and shadows, using pencil and different graphite tones, and even drawing with portraits. It will also improve your drawing skills. And in my personal work, I've always used pop culture to do so, whether it was video game characters, film characters, or celebrities. These types of projects didn't feel like homework to me because I was drawing things that I enjoyed doing, and any kind of fan art helped improve my art skills. Before we get started, I do have some project files that you can download: the high-resolution Yoda photo, the pencil grayscale, and an example of how shadows work on shapes. So, are you ready to get started? See you in the next lesson.